Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com, and today we are in Jackpot, Nevada. I wanted to share our room here at Cactus Pete's Resort and Casino with you because we were really impressed with these rooms. This is a granite room. We're on the 5th floor, and that is the top floor on this side of the hotel. Really spacious room. We love that there is a refrigerator in this room. If you're in Jackpot, Nevada, you're probably doing so to visit the casinos. There is a golf course in town, but this is a super small town right on the border of Nevada and Idaho. Nice big television set and a dining area. That is a balcony that overlooks the pool. There is a hot tub out there that is open 24 hours as well. As you can see, 2 queen-size beds. Super roomy, lots of closet space. There's a closet identical to this one over on the other side. Like I said, if you're here, you're probably doing so to either visit the casino or just passing through town. If you are a gambler, they have a really, really good rewards program called My Choice Rewards. They do comp a lot of these rooms, so that's worth looking into if you enjoy the casino. If not, it's kind of just a fun little stop. Here's a peek at that other closet. There are coffee bars in your little coffee area in these rooms. There's a vanity right outside the bathroom, and then also another sink inside the bathroom. And of course, the toilet area and the showers. We were really pleased with how roomy those are. This seems like it was recently redone, very clean and crisp, and we were really impressed with the overall feel of these rooms here at Cactus Pete's. And so I wanted to share that with you because I know it's really helpful if you're passing through somewhere or find yourself trying to look at hotels to get an idea of what these look like. Again, these are the granite rooms at Cactus Pete's. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.